Choppamatics made another one.
Okay, you guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm actually doing a voiceover. This is my first voiceover, y'all, so bear with me. So I'm doing the unboxing for the Sony camera A7, and I really feel like the camera fits me. It's not too big, not too small. So in the box, you see they got little pamphlets that you can read. One is in English, the other one is in Spanish. And yeah, so I'm still opening up this box, and I don't know, the box is just so, ugh. Not a big fan of it, but it came like a little strap. And right now I am pulling out the actual body of the Sony camera. And y'all, like, I am so in love. Like, it's so pretty. Like, oh my God, y'all. Like, I love how it just pop out in the bag. Like, that is so cute to me. But like I said, it's not too big, not too small. It's perfect size for me. Make sure I got a warranty on it because, yeah, got my SD card. And I got a little adapter. But y'all, if I'm missing something else, let me know. Because like I said, this is my first time trying to use a camera without using my iPhone. So I'm pulling out the lens. Like, it's a nice size. And yeah, it came, when I had bought it from Best Buy, it came out to $2,500. So yeah, I will be using this camera a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna play around with it. So you guys stay tuned and just watch me play around with this camera. So this is really brief. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.
Choppamatics made another one. Damn, Chop, that shit slide.